2021 CR 2745, State of Texas versus Davis Alexander Villegas. Mr. Villegas, lifetime recovery will wait, because if he can't go to inpatient, then I'm going to have to revoke you. So they'll see if lifetime recovery will accept him inpatient. Who's here on Davis Villegas? So are you sure this is something you wish to do? Hello. What are we doing with this case?
It's going to be a plea with a recommendation.
All right. Court is calling 2021 CR 2745, State of Texas versus Davis Alexander Villegas. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks, the state of Texas.
Defense?
Raymond Bell for the defense.
All right. And are you Davis Alexander Villegas?
That's me, man.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and states motion to supplement pending motion to revoke probation. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
My attorney, yes, he showed it to me.
All right. Are you the same Davis Alexander Villegas who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 2745 for the offense of assault, bodily injury, married cohabitation on April 11, 2022 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Correct.
All right. State.
Violating condition number 2, on or about the, and this is from the first motion to revoke,
Okay.
on or about the 31st day of March 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Davis Alexander Villegas, defendant there, failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Be true.
All right. State.
The state will waive and abandon the other violation.
Any objections?
Objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County jail? Did you understand?
This is correct.
No, did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
That's correct, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there an agreement?
Somewhat, Your Honor. I think the agreement is that he be revoked. The state is asking the court to sentence him to 1 year in the Bexar County jail, and I'll let defense.
All right,
And
defense.
Judge, that's correct. We're just asking the court consider sentencing him, performing the sentence to 6 months. Mr. Vegas makes no excuses for what he did, made a choice, quite frankly. He missed, and then he got scared and chose not to keep coming back in. He's had a lot of time to think about it, Judge. He's been sitting in jail now for about 61 days, 62 days. And he's determined, given his circumstances, that it's best to grant the motion at this point and assess some jail time. He would just ask the court consider reforming the sentence to the 6 months as opposed to the year.
All right, anything you wish to say, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can
Yes.
you raise your right hand?
Right hand.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Davis Villegas.
Yes, what would you like to say?
I would like to say thank you for the offer of probation. I did relapse on alcohol, and which gave me I'm gonna be truthfully and honest with you. And that's the reason why I didn't go report. I was going through a little bit of difficulty in life, and my choice was to look for a way out with drinking, and that was my choice, which led to I didn't report. So I just wanted to be honest with the court. You know what? So after this, I'm able to go back to living my regular life and able to work and be a positive, productive member of society.
But you cannot go back to living your regular life, because your regular life is gang affiliation and it's drugs. And from when my mind is a steel trap. When I first sentenced you, from that day to now, you are looking a little bit worse for wear because you've lost more weight and you're using more than just alcohol.
That's correct, ma'am. I did relapse on methamphetamine.
Well, no, I mean, you just threw out alcohol. You didn't say anything about meth. So you have an issue. All right.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a choice. Here are your choices. Let me see how long you've been on.
About 2 years, Judge.
All right. I can continue you and send you to SATA. But I'm not sure. Vashawn, will SATA take him for gang affiliation? Ah.
That's been part of the problem, Judge.
Is there any place else that would take him? Because he's on misdemeanor probation and he only has about a year remaining. Yeah, we can't extend him. That's a problem. Will ISF take him?
No, Your Honor. State ISF, yes, Your Honor, they'll take him.
All right. So you have a choice, and this is your choice. One, if you truly want help with your drug problem, then I will send you to state ISF. I will continue you. Or two, I will sentence you in the Bexar County Jail to 1 year. Either way, your time is going to pass. So which would you prefer?
I prefer to get help, ma'am.
Okay.
Getting in the jail?
No.
Wait.
Yeah, you're going to wait for transfer.
Yes. Right now, I think it's about 30 days, Judge, give or take.
Yes.
Your Honor, he will need to be extended for that program as well.
We can't extend him.
So,
I mean, can they just start treatment with him?
maybe 5 minutes.
Sure. Just give us a moment. And then after this case, we're going to take up the case with the interpreter, and that is Fernando Sanchez. I tell you what, if you all will step back a moment, let me take up this case and then I'll come back to your case. All right.
Verifying it right now.
We'll wait, because if he can't go to inpatient, then I'm going to have to revoke you. So they'll see if Lifetime Recovery will accept him inpatient.
Okay, Judge.
All right, so just give us a moment. She's going to check on that. And counsel, if you want to talk to him about it and explain to him about Lifetime Recovery.
I'll explain. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so just give us a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we're going to take up Rubio.
I think they got an answer on it.
Oh, we have an answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you'll come forward with your client.
That's pretty fast.
Okay. Probation does great work.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're back on the record. In 2021, CR 2745, State of Texas versus Davis Alexander Villegas. Mr. Villegas, Lifetime Recovery will accept you into their inpatient treatment program. So you have a choice. I can sentence you to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, or I can send you to Lifetime. Which would you prefer?
Oh, what's the wait on the Lifetime, ma'am?
What's the wait?
I'll
Up to
take,
2 weeks.
I'll take recovery, ma'am.
All right. See, here's the thing. When people say, what's the wait time? Then that makes me wonder if you're really prepared for recovery. Because if you're really prepared for recovery, the wait time can be whatever the wait time will be. So are you sure this is something you wish to do?
Your Honor, yes. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
All right. So I'll deny the motion. Alternate amend conditions to include lifetime recovery, defendant is to remain in custody until transported to Lifetime. And I'm going to want a GPS on him. I know they do GPS at Lifetime Recovery. So we're going to do full GPS.
Would the clerk consider waiving fees, Judge? I'm court appointed, and I don't think he's got.
Oh, I'll ask that fees be waived or deferred.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
Nothing further from the state here.
Probation is, I'm sorry,
No, from defense.
probation. Is there anything else he needs?
Your, you want to add in the possible UAs?
We'll do the UA hotline until further notice. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
To tell you the truth, I would just like to take whatever is offered within like parenting classes,
Oh, I've already ordered that.
or I just want to get my life back on track, man.
Okay. All right, we can go off the record. Lifetime Recovery is going to accept you. Do not bring that gang nonsense to their doorstep. Do you understand?
I understand you.
And if there is any type of issue that occurs where you're bringing drugs to Lifetime Recovery, we're going to have an issue. Do you understand?
I understand you.
All right. All right. Good luck
Thank
to
you,
you.
Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.